Let's now learn the use of the ToString method. Most of the controls have the text property. Text property represents the text of the control, and text is a string. So we know that from the C#, the text and the strings are the same. So the text property here is a string, and that simply means whenever we send the data from the code to the form, that data must be in string form. If the data has another type like Boolean, integer, floating point numbers, then we must convert the type of the data to string type before we send it here to the form. And to convert the any type to the string type, we use or call the ToString method. Now, for example, this is our play button. Let's just name it to something else. Calculate. Right? The text here is calculate. And the name of the button is, as usual, BTN play. And we have an event attached to that button, right? And here we have three different buttons to display the calculation. So let's just change the text to them and put 0 to all of them. And they have different names. The first one is BTN play again. The second one is BTN new round. And the third one is BTN close, right? So we can keep these names. Now, when the calculate button is clicked, I will simply show some calculations here. For example, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, and 4 plus 4. So let's see how do we do that. This is the event for the calculation. The name of the calculate button is BTN play. And the first button is BTN play again. And we are interested to the text property, right? The text property represents the text that is shown here, right? And we know that the text is a string. If I, let's say, assign a string value here, the program won't complain because we are working with the same data type. But let's say instead of the string, I just want to assign number here. So as I wrote a number, program complains. And what does it say? It says there is a type conflict. Program cannot by itself convert the type int to a string. This is the type int, and we are trying to assign it to a control that accepts only the string. That simply means we need to type convert this integer value into its string representation, and for that we always use ToString method. And now you can see our program accepts the value. So let's now run the program and just check the output of this development. Now click the calculate button and you can see the text property is updated. So ToString will always be called on the data when the data type is not a string and you want the data to be published on the form. In the first message box, we will simply print the result of, let's say, 2 plus 2. And to the second button, I think the name of the second button is new round.text. And here we are going to print the result of 3 plus 3. We must call the ToString method. And the third button is close text property. And here we will publish 4 plus 4. Don't forget to call the ToString method. So this is how we use the ToString method in WinForms, and we will continue to use it in our coming lectures or chapters. So let's now run the program and check the output. Now click the calculate button and here you see the calculations result, right? Now in the next chapter, we will learn another interesting control, very useful control, which is called label control.